Hello and welcome. Today we're going to show you the location and removal of the heater resistor and heater core from a Renault Fluence. Keep in mind, Australia is left-hand drive with the steering wheel on the right, and this process will not be applicable to countries that are right-hand drive with the steering on the left. Now, I'd like to remove the glove box just so I can have a lot of space to work with. You still need to remove the glove box to have access to the heater resistor, but you might not need to remove it to have access to the heater core. Remove the top trim on above the glove box and then remove the 3 torque screws underneath this trim. Next to the side, remove the cover over here, and underneath there will be 2 torque screws. Please watch the video in full. Do not attempt as you go, just watch it first and then you'll see what to do. On the inside there will be another torque screw, and then the glove box will come out when you pull. And then these are the parts that slide in at the back of the glove box. Your heater resistor is over here. As you can see, press onto the plug clip and then pull out. Now I can't exactly show you how to remove the resistor because there's not enough space, but on the side here there is a little tab which you will need to pull in and then push the resistor up. So the bottom tab, you push it or pull it in towards the resistor, so that one there, and then push it upwards to release and pull out, and when you want to put it back in, you put it in and then pull it down. If you have found this video helpful so far, please don't forget to subscribe. Now for the heater core, there is a cover over here which comes off. It's only held on by clips and you have access to the heater core. And then remove these clips, and what you're doing over there is to release these clips. There are little tabs here, so you pull that one and then pull this out. Make sure you have a little tray because water comes out of the heater core. And then there's 3 torque screws that hold the heater core in place. And then there is also little tabs as well that you might need to partially, just not a lot, pull it out and then slide the heater core out. Make sure the heater core that you're putting back on has all the O-rings to seal so there's no water leaks. As you can see, you might not need to remove the glove box to do the heater core, but for the resistor you have to. So these are the O-rings that you'd want to change and don't forget to put on. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe to support the channel, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.